My name is Chindo Nwankwo. I'm studying at University of Leeds, and I'm a third-year PhD research student. And my research is on using compost to reduce crude oil contamination in soils. Actually, my passion for soil developed a couple of years back. I was volunteering with a women's group, and then we were on outreach in a rural area, the Niger Delta region of Nigeria. And then we drove past a field, and it was just waxy. And then I asked one of the women, why is that field waxy? What happened? And she said, oh, it's oil spillage. And I said, what has been done about it? And she said, no, nothing. And I said, what about the oil polluters? She said, nothing. This is part of our living. And I said, well, something has to be done. And that was how I developed my research interest about soil and trying to see what we can do to help the locals to get their soil restored so they could use it for agriculture. Basically, in the Niger Delta region of Nigeria, the waste stream from that region comprises basically organic material, which is from food waste, because during harvesting period, they have a lot of food waste because they don't have any standard preservation facility. And so my concern is if this waste could be converted to compost, and then it could be used as a bioremediation material on soil that is contaminated with crude oil. Because research in the past have shown that you can actually use mineral fertilizer to treat contaminated soil. But the challenge in the Niger Delta region of Nigeria is that an average farmer struggles to get a share supply, his own supply of mineral fertilizer for routine farming. So asking him to use mineral fertilizer to treat contaminated soil is a big challenge and is a cost on him. But if we're able to get compost from this organic material, then it can be used as a bioremediation material for the contaminated soil. It's going to reduce costs, and again, it's going to get the locals involved in cleaning their own land, which they can recover for agriculture. The results from my research is going to build on collaboration between the oil communities, the government, and the oil polluters. And so it's going to build on existing collaboration. And so, well, my home institution is interested in the results from this research because it will be applied in the field. And so hopefully it's going to affect policy making because we like the Ministry of Agriculture and Ministry of Environment to work together to understand the effects of oil pollution here on people's livelihood. I would like if people would treat soil more friendly and not just think it's maybe a dumping ground or you can just do anything to the soil, because it's really our culture, our way of living affects the quality of the soil. And without the soil, we can't exist because we produce our food, the buildings, the infrastructure, they're all there. So the soil is a very important component of our living here. My long-term goal will be to build a research team that will actually make impact on people's lives, especially the ordinary people, the local people here in Niger Delta region. That's my long-term goal, and helping them solve the problem of oil pollution on their land.